I'm going to be showing you how to get red Buddha in Werewinds Meet. So in Werewinds Meet, the special red Buddha type rewards like Buddha Key, Buddha Light Shade, and similar items aren't found just by fighting enemies or opening a chest. You have to complete specific exploration and regional completion content first. So what you can do is know that you cannot find it as a random drop or buy it. So it is earned by completing all major exploration tasks, mostly in the Xinghei region, including all Bright Tide nodes and Dark Surges and main campaign at Halo Peak. You can just at the top left where you can see your map, just tap here and just take a browse at the Xinghei region right there. And make sure you've completed all the exploration tasks. And after you've done that, you would slowly get them as reward for completing them. So if your all entries in the Tales and Echoes journal for Xinghei is 100%, you can automatically receive Buddha Key as reward. So there you go. That's how you get red Buddha in Werewinds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.